Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Just a reminder that everything shared here reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Truist, found at www.truist.com, and exploring what it has to offer. Truist is a financial institution formed through the merger of BB&T and SunTrust. They provide a range of services, from personal and commercial banking to wealth management and investment services. On their website, you can find information on checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and more. They also offer digital banking tools for managing your finances on the go. It's important to do your own research and compare Truist with other banks to see if it's the right fit for you. Consider factors like fees, interest rates, customer service, and available features when making your decision. Truist aims to provide a comprehensive financial experience, catering to a variety of needs. They highlight their commitment to innovation and client satisfaction. While navigating the website, you'll find resources for financial education, tools for budgeting and planning, and contact information for customer support. Truist's online presence offers a detailed overview of their products and services, aiming to provide a transparent and accessible banking experience. Their website serves as a hub for both current and prospective customers. You can learn about their history, their mission, and their community involvement. They also offer resources for small businesses, including lending options and financial guidance. When considering a financial institution, it's always a good idea to thoroughly explore their website and read reviews from other customers to get a comprehensive understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. Truist provides a wealth of information online, making it easier to make an informed decision. Remember to check the specifics of each product or service to ensure it aligns with your individual financial goals.